Okay, so I'm going to start demonstrating why it's super important to pre-vacuum, especially outdoor furniture, and vacuum it well. Because what happens is, as we'll see here, in theory, dang it, I can't catch it. Hopefully I caught it. There should be, there is, I don't think the camera's catching it. Anyways, it's on there. You hit it, and plumes of dust come up, right? See where my hand hits? Just plumes of dust. So, if I just immediately pre-treat this, immediately hit it with water, all that mud, dirt, sinks in immediately and turns to mud, and it's a powerful piece of equipment to get that up. You really can't get it up with effectively, I should say. As you can see how that thing there is clear, like back here, the dirt just been sitting on that, it's collecting up. That's why it's super important whenever we do these things, you're kind of getting, they cost a little more because they're getting cleaned twice. You can't just, indoor furniture you can pre-treat and not have to worry so much about the excessive dirt. Outdoor furniture, you always have to worry about the excessive dirt. So that's why you must pre-vacuum first with that clearance, otherwise you'll turn to mud, and then you'll turn right on and hit that sofa and it's going to plume out dirt again. So that's why at Renew, we always go that extra yard to take good care of you.